So I would like to formally retract my previous statement as stuff showed up early. This is chrome diopside. Look at the color on that. It's so good. Next month is going to be petroleum included quartz. It fluoresces under a black light. It has anthraxolite and some other stuff in it. It's really, really fun. If you order by the 31st, you will get the first month. The second month will charge on the 5th and ship out after. Thank you so much to everybody that supported me in this. It's been really kind of a fun little project, and I see it growing. I thank you all so much. You all have a wonderful day. This is great.